video is mainly for those who don't know about anything regarding homeopathy mechanism of action and not know anything about the definition why homeopathy is system is present, what is the merit or demerit. We don't discuss, we only discuss about the fundamental of homeopathy. So after this video you can understand what is homeopathy and the how it is work. You can understand something, and which is very much helpful when anyone asks you in your mathematical class or any pharmacy class, or any person, general person, when asked that do you know anything regarding homeopathy, then this video will give you so much information like cures. Like how we know, by taking a example. I give not anyone, I give that when you dissolve a cord in the water, what happened? The cord is it soluble in the water? Answer is no. Why not soluble in the water? What is the difference? Why it is not soluble? Because the cord nature is different from the water nature. Why? Means water is soluble, means water nature is not similar to cord nature. Cord is not insoluble in water due to their physical properties different. In that way, the homeopathy also, you can understand that the homeopathy physician, any homeopathy physician, when give a prescribed medicine, he give the medicine according to the nature of disease. Means those disease which are present on the diseased person are quite similar to that medicine. Means the medicine when taken into a normal healthy individual, those are the symptoms are present on that normal individual are similar to that diseased person which is come to the physician. That's why the homeopathy says that like cures like, means that when anybody having the diseased symptom on that person, we give those medicine which can produce that disease product, so that we prescribe that medicine. So here we from this video last we conclude by a sentence, that is the weaker dynamic affection. That is the weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished in the living organism by the stronger one. When if the condition is that if the stronger one is similar to the weaker, means the former. Here the weaker means shows that the disease causing effect, whereas the stronger one, here the medicine which we do for the cure of the disease. So the disease affection means the weaker dynamic affection is permanently cured, means extinguished in the living organism if we give the stronger one. Stronger is the medicine power, means medicine having the more symptoms similar to the similar to the disease, then that's why we call it is a stronger one. Here by author it is says that the stronger one is refers to the our medicine effect. So if the stronger one is similar to the former, means the weaker, then the manifestation occur, means our desired product we will find. So in this way I think you can understand. So if any inquiry, then ask on the comment box. If any I hope if you understand.